Hello everyone, welcome to English by Mahesh. In this video, you will hear a simple daily life conversation between Raju and Bhuvi. Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences to improve your English speaking skills. Let's get started. What time do you wake up, Bhuvi?
I wake up at 6.
Do you make your bed after waking up?
Yes, I do.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, every day.
What do you do after brushing your teeth?
I wash my face.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Who prepares your breakfast?
My mom.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Idli or dosa.
Do you help your mom in the kitchen?
Yes, sometimes.
What time do you go to work?
At 9 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
Do you take lunch from home?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice and curry.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I do.
When do you come home?
At 6 p.m.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, a little.
What do you do after coming home?
I rest.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I do.
Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I walk.
What do you do after walking?
I help in the kitchen.
What time do you eat dinner?
At 8 p.m.
What do you eat for dinner?
Chapati or rice.
Do you wash dishes?
Yes, I do.
Do you read books?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you check your phone before sleep?
Yes, for some time.
What time do you sleep?
At 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, always.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, every night.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, very much.
What do you do on Sundays?
I relax.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you cook?
Yes, simple food.
What dish do you like to cook?
Fried rice.
Do you wash clothes?
Yes, on Sunday.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every week.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I love plants.
Do you help your brother?
Yes, with studies.
Do you talk to friends daily?
Yes, on phone.
Do you use social media?
Yes, for short time.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every night.
Do you pray daily?
Yes, morning and night.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, with mom.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, I do.
Do you pack your lunchbox?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like your routine?
Yes, I like it.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I make a list.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short breaks.
Do you take care of health?
Yes, I eat healthy.
Do you enjoy your day?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to change anything?
Yes, more exercise.
Great job. You have just practiced 50 simple English conversations about daily life. Keep practicing every day to speak English more fluently and confidently. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next time. Bye bye.